Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your REALME 16 Pro Plus. First, if you're using USB-C headphones, clean the charging port since there's no 3.5mm jack here. You can also use an adapter, but I wouldn't recommend it unless it's original or certified, as uncertified ones can break anytime. That's why we want to clean the charging port. Dust can block the connection. Next, restart the phone by pressing the power and volume up buttons together, then swipe up to restart. After the restart, test another pair of headphones to see if they work. If they don't, try them on another device to check if the issue is with the adapter or the charging port, and you should get it checked out. For the last step with wired headphones, update your software. Go to Settings, scroll down to System and Update, then tap Software Update to check if you're on the latest version. If yours isn't up to date, I recommend updating to avoid glitches. Now for Bluetooth headphones, start by simply turning Bluetooth off and on. Go to Settings, turn Bluetooth off, then on again to see available devices. Next, unpair your device. Tap the info icon and select Unpair. Then enter pairing mode on your headphones, press refresh, and they should appear. Tap on them, select pair, and they'll connect. Make sure your headphones and case are charged, as low battery can prevent connection. Also avoid interference from other devices. Turn off Bluetooth on other devices nearby while connecting to this phone. As a last resort, update your software again by going to System and Update, then Software Update to verify you're on the latest version. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, leave a like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in the next one.